என்னால முடியல மாமே, நீயே வாசி. வலி மாமே வலி, புலி மாங்கா புலி, வலி மாமே.
Hi all, welcome to Charlie the Best Park. So today we are gonna see a birthday vlog. So yeah, today is Charlie's birthday. May all know. So now I'm gonna make a cake, and for this I took corn flour and egg yolk. So I'm gonna stir it. This can be also consumed by humans, and if you are vegan you can't consume because you can't eat egg and milk and all. So yeah, and I think we are gonna also give first aid off, but we are not sure about it. So yeah, so come on, let's see what is Charlie is doing. So before that I wanna just show you the balloon and decorations. So in this two balloons I kept treat, and in this balloon there is no tree. And there is four here, but it's not sticking to the wall. That's the big problem here. And look at this, it's nice. Do you think it's looking good? I don't think so. So yeah, I took pedigree and toys. These are toys for Charlie. So I won't show you detailedly. After Charlie's cake cutting I will show you. So these are the balloons. As I told, there is two trays with two balloons and two treats, and there is on one balloon there is no treat and no water and no anything, not anything, just a balloon. So yeah guys, so Charlie is sleeping, he doesn't know this. So yeah, so now we are going, I add a curd, thick curd. So curd is healthy for our animals. So now I'm gonna stir it nicely, but it's got stuck. So that's why I can't stir it. It's very difficult. So yeah, now we have to stir it until it gets into a mixture. So a thick mixture, okay, it should be not like this, it should be getting into like a liquid mixture. Yeah, so I think it looks yum. And I also added carrot mixture. So in this mixture I added biscuits and carrot and milk. So milk is healthy, you all know. Carrot is also healthy, which can be consumed. So this is human biscuit only. So yeah, it's healthy biscuit, and also dog can be consumed, any animals can be consumed. It's a healthy biscuit. So yeah, so good day, it's called, it's Indian biscuit. I think you may all not know, Indians can be know it. So yeah, so now let's mix it. So my mom is helping me, so because I'm taking the video, so my mom is helping me. So yeah, so yeah, my mom added some mixture. So yeah, it's easy process. So just we have to three ingredients, and so my mom is adding into mixie for grinding it to a nice and clean mixture. So yeah, so now let's see what is Charlie is doing. Hi Charlie, happy birthday. So Charlie woke up now only. So just he's sleeping in cage, for a cage. So he's a sleepy boy, that's why. Are you sleepy boy, Charlie? Okay, so Charlie won't speak today because he's in busy mode, he's a happy mode. So yeah, I took this mixture and I'm gonna pour it in the cup. So yeah, and I'm gonna take a cooker and I'm gonna keep it. Because I didn't take oven because it's not healthy for dogs, especially for humans too, because it can cause liver and kidney problems for us. So now I want to show you all what are the things which we bought. I got biscuit, pedigree biscuit. It's like a treat. Yeah, and the cute golden retriever. So yeah, it's a healthy biscuit. So yeah. So I just want to tell that Amazon and all the essentials like Big Basket, Swiggy, Zomato, Uber Eats, all are helping in our this situation, in this pandemic. So yeah, we can go anywhere. We can also buy in this sites. So yeah, I got biscuit for Charlie. So we all ordered in Amazon. So because due to the situation, so we also bought this cute bunny. It's a dog. It's not a bunny. So I also bought a Charlie name tag, as I told you. So, and I also bought a rope which can be used by Charlie, and for his training purposes I bought this. So look at this decoration. I know this is not that much grand, but because of this situation we didn't make it so grandly. After the situation we'll all call you and we will celebrate the birthday. Okay guys? So for the whipped cream I added curd, so I'm gonna mix it. So this video also will be released in Tamil, so it's dubbing video. So yeah, because who don't understand English can see that. So yeah, so this is the cake which I made. Charlie cut this, we cut this. So yeah, Charlie is so happy and he loved the cake. So now we are gonna pop the balloon holes at the three balloons popped. So yeah, we can't use it anymore. So Charlie is eating his breakfast and his cake. So I decorated with dog Cheetos. So yeah, Charlie, are you what? So I'm gonna pop this balloon. So I'm gonna take a pen. Charlie, are you what? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Charlie, are you 4? Tell. Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Yes! Charlie is 4! So, yeah, now